Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Oma Cakes and Food, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a cake parfait. If you learn how to make this cake perfect, trust me, you'll be making extra cool cash from your daily sales, and it will bring more customers to you. It will make people to have a taste of your cake and definitely come back for more to order for a bigger size of cake. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. Subscription is free. Like, comment, and share this my video to your loved one, because definitely you might have someone who wants to know how to make a cake parfait. To make a super delicious and yummy cake parfait, I'll be making use of whipped cream. I have my powdered whipped cream here, so the next thing I'll be doing is to measure it out. The quantity of whipped cream you'll be measuring out for your whipped cream depends on the number of cup of parfait you want to make. So it's either you add or minus from my recipe depending on the quantity of whipped cream you need for your parfait. So let me bring the camera closer so that you can be able to see for yourself what I weighed out with my scale. So here is 300 grams of whipped cream, and now the next thing I'm about to do is to add my cold water to it. But by the way, I have to tear out the weight of this bowl and the whipped cream. So I'm removing the weights for it to go back to zero. Then I have to pour in my cold water to it now. I'll be pouring in some milk to the cold water so as to make the general liquid I have 150 grams. So I'm making use of 150 grams for this 300 grams of whipped cream. The milk I'm using for this recipe is a Hollandian milk. You can use any preferred milk you feel like or you're comfortable to go with. The next thing I did was to use my balloon whisk to make sure I whisk and mix it thoroughly. Here is my vanilla and my red velvet cake cutout I brought out from the previous job I had. So I'll be using it to make this cake perfect. You can use any flavor of your choice, either coconut, strawberry, chocolate. Any of your favorite flavor can go for this cake perfect. Do you know one good thing with this cake perfect is that it can bring you more daily sales. It can attract more customers to you because it gives opportunity for so many people to have a taste of your cake, and once it's yummy, delicious, they will definitely come back for more. So here what I'm doing is to cut it into different size. I had to cut it to a chunk, then I'll be using my fork to smash it into paste. I usually do enjoy when my parfait is smashed this way. You know, when you're scoping it out, you scoop out the cake, the whipped cream, the cake, and more. Ah, life is sweet though. So I'm smashing it out. Then this is what I will do. I will repeat for all of them. Like I will do for the vanilla and I also do for the red velvet until when I'm done. Guys, if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share this my video to your loved one, because definitely you might have someone somewhere who wants to learn how to make perfect. So share this my video to your loved one, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be among the first to be notified when I post a new video. So guys, our cake parfait is ready. You can see how beautiful this is looking. Cake parfait is a dessert you can be selling to make daily income. And it's also a dessert you can serve to your guests to make them wanting for more. This cake parfait will help you reach a large audience if you want to start making this as a business. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, as I'll be posting new amazing videos and you can't afford to miss it. Bye.